going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Woodshed 3. I'm Andy, and I'm coming to you from inside the panel van. We're going to be finishing up putting the sound deadening insulation in for over the body part here. I'm doing from basically the top of the wheel wells up for right now because I still have some body repairment on the bottoms that I'm going to do as hopefully I'm driving it. So this is I'm going to do a time lapse on this and show you what's after that. I'm going to show you what's up and coming. So thanks for tuning in. I appreciate it. Guys, like the videos, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and the little bell if you want to be notified when my videos come out. All right. So it's a little sloppy over in this area because it's not straight. The other areas came out pretty good. Well, that is basically the whole sole of the cabin area of the truck insulated and sound deadening, so it doesn't sound like a empty milk truck going down the road. We're eventually going to, once I fix the sunlight or the skylight, we're eventually going to do all up in there. So this stuff is fairly easy to work with. Stuff is fairly easy to work with. It's just a foam base with a foil. And on the other side of here is a really sticky part on the foam. Basically the hardest thing is getting it measured out. Some stuff I didn't measure out quite right, but it works. And so yeah, you just peel this off and you stick it on there, and there it sits. I try to use as much as I possibly can as far as like the small pieces to fill in areas, just because this stuff is pretty expensive and I don't want it I don't want to waste any. So keep on watching. I'm gonna set up for the next shot because I got a surprise coming. All right. All right, everybody. So after finishing the sound deadening insulation in the sole of the cabin there, this is what's up next, and I'm very excited about it. I've been waiting to do this for a long time. So a while ago I gutted all the wiring, old wiring out of it because it was a mess. So we now have a brand new wiring harness from Easy Wiring. So that's going to be the next step, is wiring this all together. I've already got the back lights and fuel gauge wires marked. I will double check those because I marked them a while ago when I first got the kit. And then it's going to get all zip tied, and basically it's all run through the driver's side, all through up here. So it's going to run all the way down there and then back down here. I might have to make some, find the other ones, the lights for the interior lights. I'll have to check that. But yeah, I'm very excited. I am very excited because once we get the wiring harness all in, everything working on that, next step is to install the seats, and we're going to start driving it. We're going to keep going with the body work, but we're going to be driving it while we're doing the body work, because a little over 2 years after pulling this out of the permafrost of Vermont, I'm ready. I am ready. So yeah. I don't want the camera to fall. Sorry, I don't have my tripod out here. So yeah, after a little over 2 years of the truck being pulled out, we're ready to get this thing on the road. So I'm very excited. So thank you for tuning in. I really appreciate it. And please hit the subscribe button and the like button. And peace. Keep on tinkering.